Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. So in today's video, we'll be seeing how to make 3 different types of coffee with one coffee base. So let's get started. So for the coffee base, you need 1/4 cup instant coffee powder and half cup of sugar. Along with this, you need to add 3 tablespoons of hot water. Now with the help of an electric beater or a hand whisker, you can beat all this mixture together until it forms a thick and creamy base. And here, your coffee base is ready. Now let's make some coffee with it. So the first coffee that we are making is cappuccino. For this, you need 2 cups of hot milk. To this, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the prepared coffee base. And with the help of a whisker, whisk it well. Once this gets thick and frothy, pour it into a cup. Now to add some extra flavor, you can also put 1 to 2 teaspoons of coffee base on top and just swirl it round. And here, your cappuccino is ready. Now the next coffee that we'll be making is mocha. So let's get started. For this, we need 1 cup milk, hot milk, 1 tablespoon crushed cooking chocolate, half teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon coffee base, and mix it well. This will turn the coffee thick and frothy. To this as well, for the extra flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of coffee base on top and some crushed chocolate. The next coffee that we'll be making is the very known Dalgona coffee. For this, just pour some cold milk in a glass. Add the prepared coffee base to it and just swirl it round. You can enjoy these coffees with some delicious french fries or with anything that you wish. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay tuned and keep watching Glittery Vibes. Thanks for watching.